Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make Ramadan in Infinite Craft. So let's begin. First, you want to select uh, every icon in here. We're going to need earth, and then we're going to combine that with wind. We got dust. Next, we're going to select another wind, put it over there. We got sandstorm. Next, just click on fire, put it anywhere on the screen. Then we're gonna need wind. We need wind and water so that we can get wave. After that, we're gonna need earth onto the wave icon. So now we got sand. Next, we're gonna combine sand with fire. We now have glass and then put it on the sandstorm. Then dust, put it out anywhere. We're going to use that later. Earth, combine that on dust. Fire, hourglass, get earth on planet, and then time on moon. And next, we're gonna need sand, put it over there, earth, now we get desert. Just going to put that on month altogether, and boom, now you have Ramadan. So that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.